Hello students, welcome back to Future Foundation. Students, in this video of circle, we will see number of tangents to a circle from a given point. So let's start the video. So write down the heading, number of tangents to a circle from a given point. So students, let's say point P x1 y1 be a given point on the plane of the circle, right? And circle is s is equal to 0, that is s is x square plus y square is equal to a square. I am taking circle with center 0 0 and radius a, right? We will talk about the general circle later also, having center minus g minus f and radius root over g square plus f square minus a. Also, let any tangent be y is equal to mx plus a times root over 1 plus m square, right? So if this tangent is passing through P, then it will satisfy, or the point P will satisfy this equation of tangent. Also, if y is equal to mx plus a times root over 1 plus m square is passing through x1 y1, then y1 is equal to mx1 plus a times root over 1 plus m square, right? So y1 minus mx1 is equal to 8 times root over 1 plus m square, or if I square both sides, then it will be y1 minus mx1 whole square is equal to a square times 1 plus m square, right? And after expanding, it will be y1 square plus m square x1 square minus 2 m x1 y1 is equal to a square plus a square m square, right? So after making quadratic in m, it will be m square times x1 square minus a square minus 2m x1 y1 plus y1 square minus a square is equal to 0. Now, if discriminant of this quadratic is positive, then there will be two roots of m. It implies what? It implies that there are two tangents passing through P x1 y1. Okay. Now let us see d first. So d is equal to b square, which is 4m square minus 4ac, that is 4 times x1 square minus a square times y1 square minus a square, right? Or 4 times m square minus, sorry, 4 times x1 y1 whole square minus 4 times x1 square minus a square into y1 square minus a square, right? Or if I take 4 common, then it will be x1 square y1 square minus x1 square y1 square minus a x1 square minus a square x1 square minus a square y1 square plus a to the power 4, right? Or it will be 4 times a square common x1 square plus y1 square, in fact minus a square common, sorry, this is a square because outside there is minus, so a square times x1 square plus y1 square minus a square, right? Now if d is greater than 0, it implies x1 square plus y1 square minus a square greater than 0, right? Or s1 greater than 0, where s1 is nothing but the value of s when we put x1 y1 in place of x and y in s, right? So it implies what? If S1 is greater than 0, then there will be two tangents passing through S1 P x1 y1 and also P x1 y1 is lying outside the circle, right? It means, right? It means if this is S, then point P is lying somewhere at this point, and if pointed outside, then this is the only possibility that there are two tangents, right? Now, if t is equal to 0, it means x1 square plus y1 square minus a square is equal to 0, right? Or s1 is equal to 0. And if s1 is equal to 0, only one tangent is passing through p x1 y1 and also p x1 y1 is lying on the circle, right? Like as shown in figure, p is here, right? And if d is less than 0, implies x1 square plus y1 square minus a square less than 0 or s1 less than 0. It implies no real tangent is passing through p x1 y1, and in this case p x1 y1 is lying inside the circle. It's lying inside the circle, right? So let's say here is point P somewhere inside this circle, right? So if point is inside, then no real tangent is possible or tangents are imaginary. Okay, now let us take a question. Find the integral values of lambda if lambda comma lambda is lying inside the circle x square plus y square is equal to 50, right? So here S is x square plus y square minus 50 is equal to 0, and point is given lambda comma lambda, right? Also it is given that S1 is less than 0 because point P is lying inside the circle. If point is lying inside the circle, then S1 will be 0 always, right? So if S1 is less than 0, it implies lambda square plus lambda square minus 50 less than 0, or 2 lambda square minus 50 is less than 0, or lambda square minus 25 is less than 0, or lambda plus 5 into lambda minus 5 is less than 0, or lambda is lying between minus 5 and 5, right? So here lambda can be minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So there are total 9 values. So number of integral values is equal to 9, right? Students, let's meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.